Hi guys, today I'm going to be talking about some of the effects you can use on Visual Studio regarding like opacity, so we can make our forms fade in and out. So we're going to go ahead and start a new project, and what I'm going to go ahead and do is set the properties by clicking once on the form. We're going to set the opacity to nothing. Now that means that when we run it, you won't be able to see it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put two timers for the fade in and fade out. The fade in timer has to be enabled true, and I'm going to do a fast fade, so we're going to set interval to 10. Fade out is going to be set to false, but again the interval is going to be 10. So if we go into timer 1, the code for this is going to be if me.opacity equals 1, then, because opacity can be anything from 0 to 1, so 0.1, 0.2, then timer1.enable equals false, else me.opacity equals me.opacity plus 0.01. Now what that will do is that will increment the opacity every 10 milliseconds by 0.01. So now I'm going to define a variable called fade out. We're gonna make it into a boolean, and what I'm going to do is start to write the code now for the fade out. Now basically what we need to do is catch when the user has clicked the exit button, stop it from closing, fading out, and then end. So in form 1 we need to go to the form 1 events, and then in here get the form closing. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go if fade out equals true, then end, else e.cancel equals true, and then we're going to do timer2.enable equals true. So basically once we've tried to close, we'll stop it closing, and we will set the timer to true. Now we'll go into that timer and we'll go if me.opacity equals 0, then fade out equals true, end. What that will do is that will let the program end and won't close it. Then when you go else me.opacity equals me.opacity minus 0.01. So now when we run this, it will fade in for us. Then we can move it around. And then when we exit it, it will fade out for us. So that's how to do some simple effects with Visual Studio.